It's your turn, 90.
Okay.
Open a gift to see which potion did you get. You got a teal potion. Drink it. You got Hashu. Still close to Hoyu. But I don't think you made it to Hoyu. That means you should snore Hashu.